A good dual battery system will power the avid camper for a day or two without running their vehicle. But what if you want to stay put for longer? For silent, free energy from the sun, solar power is the solution for you. Solar panels come in a few different styles, fixed, folding, blanket or maintenance charge varieties being the most common. A maintenance charging solar panel is inexpensive but not designed to charge a camping setup. However, leave this type of panel connected to your battery when not in use, and so long as there's sunshine, your battery will remain topped up and ready to go. A fixed solar panel is great if you have a large surface on which to permanently mount it. This could be the roof of a caravan or camper, or even a vehicle. Of course, solar panels need sunlight to function, so parking in the shade is not an option. Optimum solar performance occurs when the panel is angled towards the sun, making the next option, a folding solar panel, slightly more effective than the fixed panel. You can park your vehicle or trailer in the shade and place the panel in the sun, angling it on the stand for maximum performance. Of course, you'll have to move the panel regularly to follow the sun, and it's a rather heavy and bulky item to pack away. Enter the solar blanket, an alternative to the folding solar panel, which is far more compact. While they typically cost a little more for the same wattage, you'll enjoy a huge saving on space and weight. Lay it out on the car bonnet, across a rock or maybe the top of your trailer and follow the sun throughout the day. Any of these three will do an excellent job, too good in fact. The voltage produced by these solar panels is enough to ruin a 12-volt battery very quickly. Therefore, you need a regulator on everything but the maintenance charge solar panels. A basic regulator will limit the charging voltage to a healthy level for the battery, while a more advanced multi-point power tracking regulator will convert that excess voltage to a higher charge current. That means more power from the same panel. Many solar panels come with a regulator in the box or even integrated into their design. So check this before you purchase a regulator you don't need. It's also worth considering a solar panel at the planning stage of your electrical system, as many DC chargers for managing extra batteries include a multi-point power tracking regulator for your solar setup. So you're set on a style of solar panel, but how many watts? For this, it's worth putting some calculation into your power requirements. First, add up the current draw of the accessories you'll run over a 24-hour period. The current draw is measured in amps or amp hours and can be found in product specifications. You might run a 1 amp light for 6 hours at night, so that's 6 amps. And your fridge may use an average 2 amps every hour over 24 hours, that's 48 amps, a total of 54 amps. Now, you must convert amps to watts, which is easier than you think. Just multiply 54 amps by 13 volts and the resulting number 702 is your wattage power consumption over the period. 700 watts of solar would replace this in an hour. But taking into account 4 hours of good direct sunlight, you can divide that number by 4. That's 175 watts. Allow a little extra for inefficiency and 180 watts of solar would be ideal. A solar panel is a key part in building the ultimate 12-volt power system. Check out the range at Supercheap Auto and make sure you catch the rest of our Battery Fundamentals series for everything 12-volt power.